Kega-san, what's going on, man? What's up, what's up? Zabak, Cube, what's going on, buddy? Thanks, Cube. The old Maine state flag. The original Maine state flag. Pretty fitting, though. Yeah, that's right. Chatbot will let you know. For sure. More people get in here. I did okay, Cube, today. I felt like I was doing a lot of eval grinding, but I did okay on the Buellanox. I hit personal. I locked myself out of this one. This one hit 1158. This one I hit daily loss limit on the 3 master accounts. And what else did I do? Yeah, I'm still waiting on my pro accounts. Shut the heat off. Waiting on some pro accounts. You held for 6 hours long. Wow, 1940 to 20,014 for 6 hours. Wow. Oh, that's crazy. Nice trade, though. I mean, but damn. How'd you guys do? Sign in my take profit trader. It was on the S2F. I hate the 20% consistent. Oh, straight to fund. I hate it. Yes. Yeah, I know. I hate that. Tradeify. Yeah, I don't like it either. So I gotta flip some accounts tonight. That's not it. David Snyder, what's going on? Oh, top 1. Interesting. Yeah, let me know how that works out. Gernal, David Snyder in the house. What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping in a little early. I was sitting here kind of waiting around for the market to be open and hop on stream anyway, so figured I'd hop on and chat with you guys for a bit. How'd you guys do today? That was crazy sell at the end of the day. I didn't have the balls to hold on to the full TP on my Beelonox because of the trailing. Yeah, for sure. Any good day? Yeah, so I did all right. Beelonox master accounts. 2 of them green. This one's nicely green. This one I hit daily loss limit. It's got the end of day daily loss limit. And this one's up 598. This one's up right around 2,000. Profit target, so that one's looking pretty good. I don't have any other funded accounts right now, man. I'm rebuilding, which really sucks. Man, we were just talking about tornadoes. If you search the Connor Croft, he's got a big one in Texas going on live right now. On like YouTube, Connor Croft. Yeah, Storm Chaser. Oh yeah. Check that out. Central Texas. Hope everyone's staying safe, and if you guys live in Texas, Central Texas. Scary stuff right there. Kernal, I thought about it. I actually got a payout with him last month with a straight to funded Tradeify. Tradeify is? What's the new rule? I'll look on Discord. It's a post that we're on live. Oops. Let's see. Oh yeah, no payout windows. Yeah, I did know that. Thank you, Kernal. As long as you have a pay, yeah, that is nice. No payout window, so you don't have to wait. You can just get back to trading. And if you guys don't know, like Tradeify is super fast with their payouts. So if you guys are interested in Tradeifys, I do have that link up top. So you have to use the link, and then use the default code. That's how I get credit. I have to make a bunch more sales, and then I can get a custom code through Tradeify. Put the Discord link in the chat. If you you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. Most of you guys are already joined, but some new people coming in. I think we got a new subscriber. What do we have for a new subscriber? Hey, time lights out. What's going on? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support, man. Amazing footage right now, design nub. I know. I almost wanna. Just watch it, but. They haven't updated it yet. I need 3K more for a payout. Chronolux. Yeah, you'll get there, man. No rush. No rush. I requested a payout on 2 Apex accounts this morning. 10 or so. Approval email at 11:19. So 1 hour later, you got an approval letter from Apex. That's awesome design. Good for you. Amelia, what's going on? Hope you had a good day. DCA King for the win. Hey, Marco. DCA straight to payout. DCA gang. Relax. What's going on? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Green Day, but you did some terrible trading. Yeah, Amelia, I have days like that too. Yep. I have days like that too. You just, for me personally, like I always have to watch like the next days, like those bad habits, like maybe started to creep in, and I finished green, and then the next day, like you kind of get used to those bad habits again. So that's me personally. Well, I gotta clean my desk. Tidy up. That would be my first payout ever. Taking it slow. Oh, nice, Chronol. Yeah, like take it slow. Do exactly what you're doing. Keep it. You know, just keep your edge. You know, stay with your edge, and don't compare your results to anyone else. You know, you're on your own journey. So, but yeah, nice work, man. Keep grinding. Keegan, what's going on, buddy? How'd you do today? Did you do alright? So I did okay today. I hit a bunch of 50% consistencies on some evals. I am in rebuild mode again. I did pass a take profit trader account. I'm waiting. I need 2 more days to activate that. I hit 50% on 2 more of those. And I believe yeah, I hit profit target on a combine too. My funded futures, a Top Step combine. Hit 50%. I wish I was working on some 1-day passes, but I didn't today. I'm going for those starter plus accounts for my funny futures, just because I tend to have pretty big winning days when I have winning days. You know, when I have a winning day, they're usually pretty big. So with the starter plus account, there's no consistency rule. So that's what I'm kind of going for. That 20% consistency is killing me. My target is 9,000. I made 1,800 a day. Wow, Kernal. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, keep working on that one. But you know, if you can get another account, if you're having that big of winning days, then yeah, I definitely could go with a non-consistent account like Take Profit Trader or a Top Step or My Funded Futures Starter Plus. Then you crush it. It was okay, passed it 1 TPT, but almost lost the other 2. That end of the day dump was crazy. So what do we have? Amazon earnings, I believe. It's Amazon earnings, that massive dump, and definitely it was leaked before their earnings came out. No surprise, right? Amazon and Apple, that's right, Amelia. Yeah, no surprise. The market sold off just before the earnings. The rich get richer. I'm still waiting, Monica. I got 3 going right now. I got 1 passed and I got 2 at 50%, so I'm waiting on that. Don't know who that is. What's happening, Monica? Saw you in, where were you hanging out this today? Stock Tiger. Stock Tiger. No, didn't trade any of those, Monica. Not today. No, I worked on Top Step. I worked on Combines. I worked on Take Profit Trader Combines, My Funded Future Combines. The only funded accounts I traded was these master accounts. Right here, these 3 master accounts. So I think I'm gonna copy trade them. Set that up right now. I copy trade those accounts. Stock Tiger's the man, Monica. Love Stock Tiger. Are you from Canada too? You like Stock Tiger? Hey, Cranston White, what's going on? One Stop Trader, MFF, no consistency for eval, correct for the starter? Yes. One Stop. No consistency on the starter account. 40% unfunded, yes. For the regular. They're from Germany. Interesting. Nice. Oops. Yeah, so the starter account, no consistency on the evals. 40% consistency once funded. Starter plus account, so My Funded Future, no consistency once funded, but 50% consistency with the evals. And if you guys want to use code PINE, I believe it's still 20% off resets on My Funded Futures. So if you guys, and you can only use it 3 times. So I appreciate you guys using my code PINE on that. My Funded Futures. I used the 20% reset today on a Startup Plus account. It was I think $107. So hopefully I can get that one passed. I get 2 of them passed, and so that way I won't have consistency. So it'll go about 6 minutes before market opens. Oh, nice one stop. $48, great deal. So I love one stop. I love the starter accounts. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've milked the shit out of them. But I do use Pine Sol, actually, John Cotter, on my hardwood floors. You see my hardwood floors? Not my hardwood, but my hardwood floors. Yeah, I use Pine Sol and water just for a quick cleanup. And then someone left me 2 voicemails. And no Diddy, it's right, one stop. And then I use like quick shine, things like that on the floors. Yeah, these are a bitch to install. I do not miss that. My father, and I had my father and the guy, one of the guys that works for my father's garage, helped me do it. Pain in the ass, but when I put down these hardwood floors, I knew it was like, all right, this is one and done. I'm not gonna touch these suckers again. So how'd you do today, John Carter? I am on a combine eval grind, trying to build up some more accounts. It sucks, because last Friday I blew basically everything I had. I haven't been getting some payouts from Take Profit Trader though, with the that money that they owed me. So I've been getting some payouts. So I couldn't really quite figure out how to do it, but then I figured out if I went to the account that they turned into a Pro Plus account, then I could make the withdrawals. I can't say that. Withdrawals. A little southern accent came out there for a minute. It was like a Maine, New England, Savannah type accent. All right, so just a few more minutes and we full port, right? Full port. Still need to spring clean the house, Amelia? Yeah, for sure. But when you're done, come up to Maine. You can clean this house too. Oh, so bad. Yeah, I hear you. I wish I could hire somebody, to be honest with you. Just to do the heavy stuff, like clean the windows and things. I hate doing that. Three Buellnox pass. Nice, Dan. 550Ks at 50% through. Nice. Nice work, Dan. The only three Buellnox you ever bought. So the very first ones you ever purchased. Nice. Yeah, the grind is real. I'm on the grind too. It's horrible. John, what's going on? Trader 007 in the house. Welcome, guys. Smash the like button on your way in. Oh, we have 2 years worth of Amazon boxes in the garage that need to be broken down and recycled. Oh, yeah, Amelia. So don't tell anyone, but like I just burn them in the backyard. I burn all my cardboard. I don't know. It's probably not the right thing to do, but full port long, Monica. No, I don't really know. That was pretty ugly. I'm kind of wondering if we actually come down and start filling these gaps down here from that push at the end of the day. This would not surprise me if we don't actually push down. So I'm just going to wait for a bar-to-bar setup and then see. Small gap down here. Cashed out the only 1.1K I had left in my purchase. Is the stream lagging? I don't know. Might be a little delayed, but I think it's okay. Hey Donna, what's going on? Michael, Scorza, what's going on? Alright, we filled the gap. Be a little bit patient here. Wait for a good setup. I'm gonna watch gold too. I'm gonna watch gold on the other screen. Also gotta flip some accounts as soon as the market slows down a little bit. I'm gonna flip some take profit traders. See, I've been noticing like an inside bar just before at market close and then the break when the market opens. It's like it's kind of been paying. I don't really know how you get in, but so I think gold will continue up from New York. Yeah, it kind of looks like it wants to push up. Gold does. Man, it was super bearish yesterday. It's been kind of bearish, kind of in this downwards channel, you know. But putting in a little bit of a higher low. I don't know. You gold traders, people that trade gold a lot, I'm just curious, like, what do you guys look for take profits and stuff? Like, how many ticks or points or whatever do you usually look for? People that exclusively trade gold. I know there's a few of you. So every time I get in a gold trade, I'm like, all right, this is a good trade. And then I'm like, well, what am I really looking at? So then I look for support levels, things like that, or a reversal candle or something to get out, but I'm a ninja trader. I get an error real-time data market required. What does that mean? Are you on Tradeify? That's weird. I've never used Ninja Trader, Steve, so I'm sure someone in the chat probably knows. I've never used Ninja Trader in my life. I can check the Discord, see if there's any issues for Tradeify. Alfred, what's going on, buddy? Yeah, no problem, Steve. 3 to 5 points on gold. That's what you usually look for. Nice. Yeah, so that's like a good little move. 3 to 5 points. All right. Noted. Not seeing anything on Tradeify Discord. I'm not seeing anything crazy as far as problems with NinjaTrader. A Ninja gets tweaked. Yeah, I've never used it. Yes, $10 a tick. Yeah, right. Rock Driller, what's going on, buddy? What's happening? Man, what a nice day today it was outside. All right, pushing up to the VWAP. Travis had the problem with Tradeivate and TPT, I think. Oh, wow. I didn't have any issues today, but NASDAQ 757, possibly move down to 639s. Gold bounced off the 20 EMA, so we could go higher. I've had this happen with TPT years ago. Since it's May 1st, they may have to do something on their end to get real data. Oh, that's true. I did okay, Rock Driller. I am actually rebuilding some accounts. The only funded accounts I traded were these master accounts. And one hit DLL, the others finished nicely green. Alright, so we're pushing lower here. So we're coming down into these gaps here. It's walk to you. What's going on? It was until I lost all my profits. I know a lot of people did walk to you. I heard like people got smoked at the end there. I've been there before too, for sure. I told Travis I forgot to pay data since my Persona Tradeivate account was working just fine. Yeah, maybe. They probably just forgot. I know they got the money. I know Take Profit Traders got plenty of money. That's for sure. Man. Terry Trades in the house. What's going on? The celebrity Terry Trades. You guys catch Terry Trades on My Funded Futures TV today? has turned into take our time trader. Yeah, that is true. Getting a little bounce here off 749s. I am probably going to try to look for a short here. Possibly. Not yet, though. Nice little harami candle here. I say that, and now I'm looking at a long for a scalp, but... Setup's there, I'm going to take it. See what happens. Kind of a one-to-one here. I mean, the market is pushing down. This is counter trend, but put it in this harami here. You know, I like my harami setup, so I'm gonna take it. But it's kind of rejecting off the VWAP, which I don't love. You never know, right? Markets are random, guys. I know you guys don't think so, but they are random. We just guess. Point, click, and guess. Or guess, point, click. Oh, you got it? Nice, Steve. All set. Great. Project X. Jack Boom. Yeah, I don't like Project X. Top Step X, Project X. Not my favorite, but it works fine. Hey, Coach Fred, what's going on? Yeah, the haramis did work well today, Terry, for sure. Let's see if we can get one to work right now on this evaluation. Risking 475 here. See if we can squeeze some shorts. Markets don't go sideways because I need cash now. Maybe Cove Trader's listening. Alright, we're just stuck here at the VWAP. Gold's looking like it wants to drop. Let's take a look at gold. Ooh, yeah, it does, Alfred. I like that. All right, NASDAQ's creeping up off the harami. So a lot of people take profit right at the body. So let's just observe. Like, let's see if I regret not taking it off at the body of the mother candle. What is the high of this candle? 97, 97.50. That's the high of the day. So a lot of people took profit already. I generally target the whole candle, but it's something I've been observing. Let her rip. Trader Goated, what's going on? I don't think I've seen you in the chat before. Welcome. How's it going? Ribbit. Rayu, what's going on? What's happening? I saw you hanging out in the book mat. Hanging out with Alex. I'm everywhere, guys. You guys can't cheat on me. I'm everywhere. I'm a creepy stalker. Sound like my ex. Right here. Yeah, way too much naughty there. Ribbit. Love to move the stop up, maybe the break even, but sitting right on the VWAP. I don't like that. Kind of struggling here at the 790s. Oh, nice, Alfred. Yeah, that's something I need to get, Alfred. You keep kind of reminding me. I gotta get another trade day account. I used to have a trade day back in the day, but I smell no yesterday. No, I don't think so. Rock driller. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna take it off there. 400 bucks. I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick there. I was struggling. Not new music. I don't think so, Coach Fred. No. Oh yeah, Project X or Trade Day X. Oh, no kidding. I didn't even know they had that. So looks like we got full take profit. Nice little trade there off the harami. But yeah, nice work, Alfred. Hey, Michael Giannis. Hope you're okay. Funny story for you. I had a Take Profit Pro account for about 5 minutes. Blew it up the last time. That fast trying to get a one-day payout. We've been there, Michael. 100% been there, but you know what? Some days it really pays. So the way I kind of look at those accounts, like, all right, so I like the way you traded it, even though, you know, you blew it up. Sucks. But what was your risk? 119 bucks. That was your risk on that account. You could have made 10 grand today. So happens, but nice. I mean, hey, I do that all the time. Sometimes it pays really well. You just gotta keep track. Like, I'm keeping track every day what I've lost. So like my resets, my activations, all that, I keep track every day. And then my payouts, I keep track every day. And if I make any trades on the personal or whatever, I'll keep track of that too. And every day I put those on the calendar. I have a little app called Day. What the heck's it called? Day Trader Log. And then, yeah, Day Trader Log. And yeah, I journal that every day. So day to day, not a big deal. You know, it's week to week, month to month, things like that. Kind of the prop game. Yeah, Rock Driller. I'm not sure. Really? I have an imposter? Who was it? Eichmel? Ishmael? A YouTuber? Dubs Trader, what's going on? Which gap are you talking about? I'm always confused when you guys talk about certain gaps. Like when I have a gap, there's an actual gap. I guess you're talking about... Oh. People blowing up my phone tonight. Left me 2 voicemails too. I don't know who it is. I don't know if I want to listen to the voicemail because then usually anytime someone leaves me a voicemail, it's never positive. So huh? Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, that's crazy. I have an imposter. Well, just know, guys, that I'll never try to sell you anything. Ever. If you guys want to use my codes, I guess I'm trying to sell you prop firms, but I'm not really. It's just, if you're using prop firms anyway and you want to use my code, that's perfectly fine. But I'm never going to sell you any course or Discord or private lessons or... Not at this point. I'm still trying to put together a course that shows you bull flags and bear flags. I'm just trying to price it out right now. Hey, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Nick, 82, what's happening? JC Trades in the house, what's going on? Can we go up or down, Monica? So right now we just got out of that trade, so I'm just kind of sitting on my hands waiting for another setup. I don't like anything right at the moment. $800 for the flag. Is this Patrick Whelan? Nick, is this Patrick Whelan's alt account? What's going on, buddy? $800 sounds good for the flag tutorials, yes. And then I'll show you how my inside bar breaks and haramis. Those are good too. $799 on sale today. JLS, what's going on? But I sold you some Bitcoin behind the Wendy's. Yes. The Wendy's dumpster. All right, 786 now. Kind of rejected off that 797 level, that pretty much the 19,800 level. I do not have any Rayu. My buddy was big into it a few years, like way back, and was constantly like, I think he's probably still investing in it. I hope. But yeah, I just never got into it. And Maine has a weird law about buying cryptos and things. Like, I don't know. I wouldn't even know how to do it, to be honest with you, Rayu. I've never traded Forex, Nick. Nope. It's Fred, yeah. Trader Rob. That is true. Trader Rob. He hasn't been making much content lately. Yeah, Forex. Our friend Eric, one of our subscribers, he's in the Forex. Yeah, Eric 420. I don't know if I don't think he's listening, but so do we get a bounce off the VWAP? I like to trade a VWAP better. Julio, what's going on? Yeah, it's all about risk management. Hey, Reluve, what's going on? I noticed I got a bunch of new subs, so appreciate the new subs. Alright, these are harami candles. It's an indicator that our friend Ed of the Woods made. One of our subscribers. It's right here. And they're harami candles. So a harami is, you have a mother candle here. The next candle sweeps either side, and the body opens and closes within the body of this candle. So that's what I consider a harami candle. The yellow ones are inside bars. Both are actually harami candles, but the way I kind of just define them is like so. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's looking interesting here with that trend. Boy, it's just kind of riding that trend line, isn't it? Kind of looks like, man, it's setting up for a nice short maybe. If it kind of pushed down here at 345s, I might actually try to hop in short. Keep a stop right here at 349. For a little elevator. We'll have to wait and see though. NASDAQ's kind of bouncing off that VWAP. Kind of looks like it wants to take out that 800 level. We do have lots of room to the downside too, but that harami was pretty strong. Yeah, Reluve. Yeah, it's kind of like, that's basically the setups I trade. I try to keep my trading super simple, and it's all about managing myself more than the setups. So am I a scalper? Depends on what you consider a scalper. I mean, I go like this was a good 20-point trade that I just took. So I mean, I don't know, people have their different definitions of a scalper, but I tend to push winning trades on momentum, but sometimes I do scalp, 5-10 points. So yeah, and if anything under a couple hours you consider a scalper, then I'm a scalper. Yeah. Be careful with the gold. I know gold gets me in trouble, Alfred, and I'm usually trying to get it back with NASDAQ. But I am interested in more gold trading, so I've been watching it a lot lately. If break above 3260, we may get a nice run up on gold. Oh, way up here, 3260. How long do I trade? What do you mean, like during the day? I trade mostly in New York. So usually from like 9:30 to like 11:30 noon time. And then I'm pretty much done for the day. For the most part. Sometimes I'll come back for a power hour. Usually when I'm down money. Right? Usually when I'm down money, I'm back. And then at night I trade. This session I usually go from, we started early today. We started at 5:30. So we've been streaming about an hour. And I usually go to about 8 p.m. Eastern time. Put on a show. A little song and dance for you guys. Got in at gold at open, but moved my stop by early. Shot straight down. Would have the 800 right off too. I gotta stop that. Yeah. What's going on, Always Rise? Good to see you. Yes, that's a good point, Cranston. We do have non-farm payroll tomorrow. Forex Factory. So we do have, let's check out tomorrow, just in case you are a new trader. So, 8:30 Eastern time, we have non-farm payroll. Big news event. If you're a new trader, this really moves the market. So just be aware of that. 8:30 tomorrow Eastern time. Should be a fun time. What's my game plan on it? A non-farm. Probably sleeping. No, you know, yeah, probably gonna be trading some evals. Some one day to pass evals. That's probably what I'm gonna try to do. Gold lately has been breaking the lower 15-minute opening range level at open. So anyone else notice? I noticed something too. I don't know if any of you guys trade London. But if you look at London, I don't know if anyone has a strat around this or whatever. But like the London Opens and stuff, kind of get these really kind of grindy moves right in here. And just kind of grinds and grinds and grinds and grinds for a long time. I've just been noticing that in the morning because I'm sleeping. Did it again here. London Open, and then just grinded for a couple hours. Kind of like sets a trend and then just kind of goes. I'm gonna take a short here. See if we can break down below the VWAP. This is on an eval too, guys. This is one of the 90% off evals. We don't have any good sales going on right now either, which sucks because I'm trying to rebuild some accounts. Oh, did you guys know Bielanox extended their 91% off until tomorrow? So, FYI, Bielanox 91% off until tomorrow if you want to use code PINE. Appreciate the support. On the 50Ks, option ones. I'm gonna get some right now actually. It's at $15.75. All right, well, I didn't like that. What was that? Wow. Is Uncle Mo in there buying up the NASDAQ there? So I just purchased, alright, stopped out on that. That was nasty. That buy up there. Hey, 500 per funded account on that GC move, 10 o'clock off of the weekend. Nice, Kobe. Nice work. Yeah, that was a pretty nasty buy up right there. Is what it is, I guess. I'm buying up some more Buellanox accounts while the sale's going on. It is recurring too, so you'll get billed next month if you don't pass them at $15.75. I mean, cheap evals. Hear my credit card going crazy. Alright, I bought 2. That's good. That gives me some more. So I got 4 evals right here, locked and loaded. 3 master accounts, 4 evals. Wow, that was gross. Ooh. How come you guys didn't tell me we broke that trend line? What's going on? Yeah, that was an FU candle for sure. Double O Kevin, what's going on? Got you again, man. What I love is this: if you fail them, they reset when they pay the monthly fee. Also, when you pass them, you don't have to immediately activate the master account. They can just sit there until you have the money. Absolutely good point. I'm gonna read that one more time for the chat. So with Buellanox accounts, if you fail them, they'll reset you whatever the monthly fee is, so it's recurring. So $15.75. Also, when you pass them, you don't have to immediately activate them into a master account. So like if you already have 3 like me, so if I pass one today, it's just gonna sit there until I activate it. Like you don't have to pay the monthly fee after that. It kind of sits there on deck. So thank you for that. Got you again, man. Monica looks bullish. Does. I also looked bearish a minute ago, and then this was dirty. Well, it's okay. GDP in shambles. World teetering on the war equals bullish. Yeah, I know. It's crazy how that works, but never heard of anyone having issues with them. No, always rise. And then, like yesterday, with Buellanox, in all the excitement of trying to buy 91% off sale, I ended up paying full price by mistake for an account. It was $175 for a 50K account. And I was like, oh my God. So I ended up going into Buellanox and I said, listen, can you guys refund me on that? They said, well, we can't refund you, but we'll credit your account for like $159. And I said, perfect, because I had to activate an account anyway. So that was cool. Many companies would have said, sorry. JJ, what's going on? Ever used tick charts in MACD on the 4,000 and 10,000 tick charts in NQ? I find that you can't go wrong with the direction of the MACD if approaches zero cover with fading move. I mean, back in the day, I used to look at the MACDs and things like that, but no, I just trade naked charts pretty much. But yeah, whatever works, whatever you get used to. Give it a minute, it'll flip and then flip again, and then yeah, I know exactly. I like Velanox a lot compared to other prop firms. The supporters always respond super quick to any tickets I open. Yeah, that's the other thing got you again, man, is that yeah, they responded back in like less than an hour on my ticket. Can I play something on the guitar? I'm not really good at guitar. It's just for show. Yeah, not very good at guitar. Very rusty, actually. Haven't been playing a lot. Need to play more. There will be a day where I will play you guys a song on the guitar. There will be a day. So yeah, I really like that gold short. I'm kind of disappointed I missed it. Play Rockstar from Nickelback. I probably could play you, what? I probably could play you some Wonderwall. Hey, full-time trader, what's going on? Good to see you. So yeah, we just took a trade on NASDAQ. Took 2 trades on NASDAQ, 1 winner, 1 loser. Still up 129 bucks. Yeah, this was a nasty candle. I ended up trying to go short here off this break, and I got bought up big time and took us out. And now it's coming back down, so haven't seen Methodical, man. He's around. He's lurking. He's on his alt accounts full time. Play some Freebird. Play some Freebird, and then that'll take up the rest of the stream, and I'll be done. He's not been very methodical. No, he's around. I think he's getting ready to travel. I think he's traveling today or tomorrow or something like that. He's headed to Mississippi, he said. Kind of a bear flag thing going on too on gold. I don't know. Kind of setting up like this as well. It's bear flag. So we had bear flag. Could set up another bear flag drop. Bear flag drop. I've seen that on NQ a lot. I don't know if gold will actually do that, but another harami's forming. What we haven't had is an inside bar type of harami. Yeah, this right here is not valid for me. This is more of an outside bar to me on NQ. I consider an outside bar. Tony LaRose, what's going on? China's dumping gold, dumped 1 million shares in the past 24 hours. Wow. For you, it's not bearish, Monica? Yeah. I mean, we're riding that VWAP, so right now, until we break down below that, get a nice close below the VWAP. Say you're right, my lights are flickering. That's never good. It's not windy out, so I think we're good. I lose power all the time. If I ever just disappear, it's probably because I lost power. Oh, play Stairway to Heaven on the guitar. The Forbidden Rift. Yeah, walk to you. Yeah, they do. Yep. You guys can use code PINE on Buellnox. 91% off, ends tomorrow. They extended it. I didn't even know. I just bought 2 more myself. That's what we're trading tonight. Buellnox evals. Option 1, 50Ks, which is the intraday. I do have an end of day master too, which is nice to have, but they're usually a little more expensive. Alright, we're kind of getting like this sideways choppy action. You see right here. I like my Trade of 8 charts more than the Project X. I can just see things way more clearly, but kind of getting a little sideways action right now. Kind of gross. About a we're in about a 19 point little range here. Hopefully we can break out of it one way or the other. There is a code, JJ. It's but it's not a good sale right now. It was 83% off yesterday. Now it's not. I think it's, I tell you. Yeah, it's only 45% off, so. Only 45% off, and you can use code PINE2, but, you know. I'd wait for a better deal. If I was you. Daily candle looking bearish on the ES. Take a look at the ES30. ES30 kind of not really doing much, but we can look at the daily. Does look, it's yeah, it's pretty in a harami on the daily on the ES for sure. Marcus is gonna put me to sleep. Let's look at gold again. See if gold is moving. It's kind of interesting. That was the move. Missed it. Mummy harami. That's right. When do props give affiliates prop accounts to give away? When you get a lot of sales, Oscar, like, or you're a bigger time. Like, I've never gotten any accounts to give away. If you guys use my Take Profit Trader, basically, when you see affiliates giving away Take Profit Trader accounts, that's because you guys are using their code so much that that Take Profit Trader gives them accounts to give away. They hit certain points of sales and then they give away accounts. Now YouTubers and affiliates can keep those accounts for themselves, so it is nice that some people give away those accounts for prizes, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, they don't give me nothing. They don't even know who I am. Not yet. Where would a good move look like right now? You mean like on NASDAQ? I don't know. This is like pretty nasty to me. Sideways chop. It's kind of riding that VWAP. This is kind of like barcoding in my opinion. So I'm just waiting for maybe another harami or an inside bar. And then if we get like an inside bar like here and then a break down through that range or something, that might be a good move. But yeah, right now it's really tight. I mean, we caught that good move off the rip, and then I gave it back, taking the next harami candle. Really, like, you can't take every candle that you see, you know. You see, like, this one worked really well. That was a nice move. This one, not so much. This inside bar, that was pre-market, market close. That's always interesting to me. Like I said, I'd like to figure out how to trade that. I've seen this a few times where the last candle of the close is an inside bar, and then the break of it to the upside or the downside is actually a really strong move, but I just don't know how you would trade it. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Not too much analysis. Oh, Zabak, you got some pizza? Damn. Where you live? I'm starving, and I could always eat pizza. Just manage how I top tick by the... Yeah, playing games. So you probably trade a lot like me, where you trade breakouts, and you have to really be careful with that. I've noticed myself. I get caught in the same things where I'm like trying to trade that breakout, and it's no good. So I find it best to kind of wait for pullbacks and stuff, like for a little scalp. Like even right here, you know, you can kind of wait for the VWAP, another VWAP bounce, a WWAP bounce, and then, or something like that, But the book looks pretty dry. Like, I didn't really expect that much tonight just because we have non-farm payroll tomorrow. But you never know. What do you think? We keep grinding higher on the gold, or? Kind of looking bearish, don't it? Go back to the NQ. It's trying to break out of this little range. He's bouncing off the VWAP, staying above it, but someone like Uncle Mo came in and bought this up, pushed the market higher because I was in a short. Design, you've been watching the yen and the 6J? Yeah. So yeah, that's Zabak and Black Beauty Machines thing. Get the 6J here. Kind of looks bullish. So I just buy here Zabak and let it ride. That's kind of what it looks like, huh? Hey, there's Uncle Mo in the house. He's covering for that short. Thank you so much, Mo. You the man, Mo. Give it up for Mo in the chat, guys. Huge supporter of the channel. Huge supporter. Thank you so much, Mo. You're the best. Still giveaway, guys. $30 cash giveaway courtesy of Mo. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. We'll do a moose race. Exclamation point Pine. Gotta have PayPal or Cash App. Thanks to Mo. do it at the end of the stream. We'll do a moose race. I hope. I can fire up the moose race thing. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. We'll do a moose race at the end of the stream here. Thanks to Uncle Mo in the house. Make sure you give Mo a thumbs up. Make sure you give the stream a thumbs up, guys. Appreciate that. Oh, we had someone sub. Stenix Gaming, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. PayPal or Cash App, guys. Please. Oh, I forgot to turn my light on. It's very dark in here. You guys barely see me. No wonder I'm getting so many views. There, now everyone's clicking off. There, I just scared everyone. Everyone's clicking off now. Looks like we're taking out 820s. We could. Still caught in this little range here, this little 19-point range. Terry's clicking off. Scared her to death. It's not Halloween yet, I know. Can I do the creepy voice Methodical Man does? I don't know, he has that real deep voice. That southern voice. I gotta make sure I got money in my accounts. Check my PayPal here. So today is my Friday for the stream. I will be back Sunday night. You guys know that. I take Fridays off. PayPal balance 0. Guess I better put some money in there, huh? So if you guys don't know, we do a moose race. Nutty and Cove do the duck races. Zero Day does the random number generator. And we do the moose races. Because I'm from Maine. I live in Maine. And we have lots of moose. Alright, so I gotta make sure I can get signed in here, the moose race thing. Market is just chopping sideways right now, guys. We did just put in an inside bar, but it's freaking nasty though. I probably will take it though for the stream. Boy, it's gross though. I don't like it. I like it more to the upside than the downside, just because the VWAP's sitting right there. But the market is in a downtrend. Let's not forget. The overall trend is down. Could we push back up? For sure. But let's see. I'm missing a trade here. Damn. Did miss it. I was paying for the moose race. Looks like we want to try to break out of this range here off this inside bar break. Damn it. Oh well. So we are breaking out here. All right, good. All right. I got the moose race figured out for later. Let's see. Steve dumping. It's so there's NQ is stuck. I think it's going down to 700. Okay, just sign up for your link. Would you sign up for Trader Goated? My link for what? Wood Chip, what's going on? Hey, Helicopter Tech, what's happening? Oh, nice, Trader Goated. Thank you for using my link. Whichever one that was. Appreciate you. Yeah, Mo, Uncle Mo in the house. What an inside bar break right there. Nice one. I totally missed it, unfortunately. I was buying premium Paying for premium so we could do the moose race. And I missed it. Got distracted. 799.75 session highs right now. About a 50-point range. DBT, what's going on? Gold's pushing. Yeah, really missed that trade. I hope you guys got in on that trade while I was snoozing. For you harami inside bar traders. Nice little scalp there. Like no drawdown. I guess we filled, is that what you guys consider the gap? So the close, yeah, so we just filled the gap, right? Okay. It's kind of something I don't really pay attention much to, but I think I probably should during the slow markets, the turtle markets. Thank you, DBT. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. You want to join the giveaway? Thanks to Uncle Mo. Really appreciate it, Uncle Mo. Mo Lester in the house. Be right back. All right, market's pushed up there, filled the gap. Now it's pulling back. Caramel Delight, Girl Scout cookie. Frozen. All right, I'm looking for another trade here. I missed that one, unfortunately. Gold's kind of just like riding this upwards channel here. Could be a mistake. I'm gonna try a short here. Oh, those Girl Scout cookies are good. Someone's got to get the rest of these out of my house, though. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Cash giveaway, 30 bucks. Why are you eating them in front of me? Our stash was gone 2 weeks ago. I know. Well, it's because I bought too many boxes, Amelia. I don't even know what I was thinking. Oh, Dane, what's going on? I hear ya. I have a few lemonades left. I've already polished off a box and 3/4 of those. Those are my favorite. Thin mints. I got about half a box of those left. So we're gonna short here. Tighten that stop just a little bit. Oh. Uncle Mo came in and bought it up again. That's okay, this is Monopoly money on this eval, so. Pretty cool watching you grow. When you started, I was in the double-digit subscriber. You had less than 100. Oh, nice full-time trader. Yeah, I know. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah. Wasn't too long ago we only had 100 subscribers. And nobody watching. It was me, or no one chatting. It was me talking to myself. So much easier, guys, when, you know, we got people in the chat. Makes it so much easier. When you have nobody in the chat when you're first starting out and you're just talking to the wall, it's very difficult. But you just gotta keep grinding. Keep grinding. But I appreciate all the support, guys. All the new subs. I think we're over 1,200 now. So, appreciate that. Oh, Dane, hey brother, what's going on? Just leaving the office at my 9 to 5. Hopefully one day I can confidently hang up my ties and suits and believe the trading passion I have to replace my 9 to 5. Yeah, O'Dane, you'll get there. If you want it, you'll get it. I believe you can do it. It's amazing, the freedom. Michael Anthony, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Hey Sherry, what's going on? That would likely be a viral multi-million view video of talking to the wall. Yeah. Well, if you go back to my old videos, you see me talking to the screen a lot. Some of my old lives. That was weird. I heard a noise. When you live out in the woods and you hear a noise, you gotta look. This is my very first live video right here. 5 months ago, 12 views, no camera. It's kind of funny. Yeah, Josh. 100%. Alright, stopped out. Alright, back to pretty much break even on this account, unfortunately. Gave back some trailing drawdown. That's the worst part. But we're still good. Wow, what a push. So I guess we are bullish. Got a nice little trend line action going on here. Tried to take the break of that inside bar, did not work. The best trades would chip as I've been sleeping at the wheel. I didn't take them. Like this one right here, this nice inside bar. I was trying to set up the moose race. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys, if you want to join the moose race. Thanks to Uncle Mo for the donation. He also donated yesterday, so I really appreciate that. And I believe the day before, so just a legend. Big supporter of the channel. Big supporter of a lot of the smaller YouTube channels. Streaming prop futures channels, so only goes up design, that's right. Take a look at gold. I'm annoyed with NASDAQ right now. Another break there. Yes, Josh, he is for sure. You seen bullish always rise? Yeah. I passed 3 Billinox accounts today, and I have one of the my funded future starter accounts. Hopefully I can see something with these accounts. We'll probably start trading micros instead of minis. Yeah, take it slow, O'Dane, for sure. So yeah, I got 3 master accounts going right now too. I just picked up some more Billinox accounts, some evaluations, 91% off, extended until tomorrow. So I picked up a few for $15.75, and hopefully get a few backups and put them on deck. So his Royal Trades, what's going on? Exclamation point pine in the chat. If you guys are just tuning in, smash the like button on your way in for a moose race. I should do what the other streamers do, say, we ain't doing a giveaway until we get to 100 likes. Right? So, roller coastering my account tonight. We started off with a banger trade, nailed 20 points on the NQ, and then proceeded to paper cut myself to back to even. So, oh well. But now we are pushing higher. Pretty bullish candle. See if we can get a little bit of a pullback, maybe hop in along. Check out the 1 minute chart. Maybe hop in on the 9 or 21. Maybe DCA in for a long. I think we could come back, and I mean, we have a lot of room to the upside as well. But we also have all that room from the big push yesterday. We have a bunch of these gaps and single prints and just kind of a messy auction going on. Whatever you guys want to call it. So tomorrow, non-farm payroll, they're going to be very interesting. Very interesting. Death by 1,000 cuts, Trev. That's right. Yeah, and that was the thing. Is like I missed that really good trade when I was setting up the moose race. This one right here. This one I really liked. Off the VWAP, above the VWAP. Take the breakout. I really like this inside bar trade here. This one I didn't like so much, but I took it anyway. This one we got stopped out on. This one was a nice winner for 20 points. So I have been waiting for my setups though, so I am proud of that. Oh, we lost 10 points of slippage with Apex for some reason, shitty reason. I'm laggy, I'm hardwired, so not my internet. So yeah, someone else was saying something about they were having issues too earlier. One account for trend trading, one account for reversals. It's not a bad idea. I actually want to dedicate some accounts to some systematic trading. Never get a pullback there. Just kind of looking for like 806 area for a long. So when I got off stream last night, I was long, and I had to hop off stream because someone was, one of my buddies was dropping something off, and as soon as I got off stream, within like 30 seconds, it pushed up through and hit my take profit. Nice playing games, nice trade. Currently long off the 19,795, target 19,900, so I'll probably be in the trade for a while tonight. Stop 749. Oh, I like it, O'Dane. See, with the micros, you're using the wider stops. I like that. Getting a push here. We broke out of that little range, so now we're getting that push to the upside. I mean, for the most part, the market was pretty bullish all day. I mean, we opened. Had an immediate push down and then pushed right back up and then kind of just kind of stayed around the open, I guess. Just above the opening candle. Gold doing. If you guys want to join the moose race giveaway, moose race cash giveaway, I'm not giving away any moose or moose meat. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Thanks to Uncle Mo. Thank you guys for using my code Pine with Bulanox and Apex and My Funded Futures and Take Profit Trader, guys. If we have a good month with Take Profit Trader with my affiliate sales, use my code Pine, all caps, and hopefully I can get some accounts to give away. So as soon as I reach that threshold, I can give away some accounts. So that'll be nice if I can do that. If I win, I'll name my new pet moose Mo. Mo the Moose. Alright, let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback here. Got the bottom of the hour coming up too, 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 Central. Let's see who left me a voicemail. It's usually not a good thing. I gotta make a phone call, guys. Alright, I'm back. Let's take a look at that 9 on the 1 minute. Broke below the 9, testing that 21. Do we keep continuing higher? That is the question. I feel like I missed the move. Now I'm looking to like possibly get in and take a long, but I don't know. All right, pulling back now. 810s. So we're gonna do a moose race here in about 30 minutes. If you guys want to join, exclamation point pine in the chat, and we'll do a $30 cash giveaway. If you guys got PayPal or Cash App, I can just wire you some money, whoever the winner is. Thanks to Mo Lester in the chat. Appreciate that, Mo. And we're at 84 likes, guys. We got 140 people watching. If you haven't smashed the like button, let's see if we can get over 100 tonight. Love to get over 100 likes for the YouTube algorithms. Help pushing this channel. All right, here we go. We're getting that pullback here. Do we take a support bounce off the 800s? Or do we go all the way to VWAP? Let's try to scale in here. Let's do a stock tiger. We are long. I'll add in with the micros, DCA. Nice short, Dan. 825s. Beautiful. JCap trades micros for 2.2 million payout. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, probably not a full-time trader. You're not wrong. Add more here at the VWAP. Needs to be a nano NQ, yeah, for sure. Sell in May and go away. Yeah, that is true, Eloof. I remember that when I did a lot of swing trading. You said a TP drawdown is not a concern. Yeah, for sure. Yep. I like to trail my stop on aggressively when I'm on intraday trailing accounts. So currently 3 micros on this account. I'm looking to scale in for a long. Come back down to the VWAP, test that. I'm looking to buy some more. Just stop down just below the range. See what happens. Take a look at gold here. Oh yeah, for sure, full-time trader. Yep, 50K accounts and definitely 25K accounts. Yeah, using minis for sure. Yep. It is a dangerous game, for sure. All right, we're just kind of sitting here at the 800s. Gonna do a moose race here in about 15 minutes or so. If you guys want to join up, !Pine in the chat. Smash the like button for me. See if we can get over 100 likes. And let's do a cash giveaway, guys. The market is sleeping now. Boris, thank you for the sub. Appreciate ya. Beanstalk, what's going on? Alright, this is setting up pretty nicely for our long now. I'm actually going to add another contract here. Take that off. Hey Eric, what's going on? Hi Eric, I'm a degen. Yes. Absolutely, Eric. I am a degen too. Welcome. Feel free to share. Don't forget the stale donuts over there in the corner. Alright, we're in a long here. I do like the setup. I mean, holding the VWAP, had a big push down. I had a big push up initially, held that candles low, big push down here, put in an inside bar, and we are long off the inside bar pretty much, and looking for the high of this candle, at least. We actually tightened our stop there, just below the VWAP. See if we can get something moving. 230 contracts on the bid. So the book map is moving. The reason why I was in the micros this time is I was going to try to scale in because I'm not the best at getting in on pullbacks. I'm more of a momentum trader, but I felt like this was a pretty good pullback for it to enter along. I mean, we're kind of still holding the trend line too. So we'll see what happens. Shot on quant hours on bookmap as well. All right, struggling here. Kind of breaking below that trend line too now. We'll see. Move the stop just below the VWAP here, just a little more room. Risking a 1-to-1. I don't like that it just broke that trend line there. That was a bear flag and a half. Bouncing off the VWAP there. Hopefully they can hold the VWAP. Tricky, tricky. That's why I moved the stop down just a little bit more, because that VWAP can really be a good support level for the overnight markets. As you see, you get the massive bounce off there right now. Yeah, that was a little bear flag break there. Got bought right up off the VWAP. VWAP's not real, guys. It's an imaginary line. But we could definitely break down through it, for sure. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. We're gonna do a giveaway here in shortly. We're gonna get lucky to get out of this trade unscathed. I liked my idea, but it's not working out. And there it goes. All right, exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. Let's do a giveaway. Got 44 people in the chat. All right, in the giveaway so far. Got 140 people watching. There's no catch. I'll just send you money on PayPal or Cash App. There's no catch. You don't have to subscribe to my Instagram or anything, even though I don't have an Instagram. I would appreciate it if you guys do subscribe to my X and my Andre, what's going on? Good to see you. Yeah, I appreciate that. I've seen a lot of new names in the chat. Really appreciate the new subs in case I missed it. Noticed that there was quite a few people that signed up to be a subscriber, which I appreciate. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me on X, Pine Tree Trader, pretty easy. Put it in the chat. Maybe. Follow me on X, if you guys don't mind. 91% off Bulenox, guys, still going on for another day. They extended it. Use code PINE. Appreciate that. Probably the best deal going on right now. Besides Take Profit Trader with their no activation fees. All right, guys. So we're gonna do a giveaway here in 5 minutes. So exclamation point pine in the chat, and we'll do a moose race. Thanks to Uncle Mo for the cash, the super chat. Evan, what's going on? Thank you. The moose. Mo the moose. Posted something in the Discord. Yeah, if you guys haven't joined the Discord, the link is up on the top. Did I pin it? But yeah, so the link to the Discord too is up on top. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. Dan just posted. He's been posting some stuff in there. Some good information. Some really good people in here. Good traders. Post a picture of myself. Alright, kind of got beat up on this eval tonight. I was up $400 right off the rip. That was the trade of the day. Took 20 points off this harami candle. Bingo bango. Gave it back. Tested that VWAP, pushed down below, now it's pushing back up. Let's take a look at gold here real quick. If you haven't entered the moose race giveaway, do so now, please. Exclamation point Pine. I gotta get rid of some of these tabs. There's so many tabs open. Yeah, this is Buellanox Cube. Yeah, I'm on Buellanox Project X. 91% off, still going on tonight. And ends tomorrow, so it's like $15.75 for 50K. 3 master accounts right now, Cube, and then I got like 5 evals that I'm working on. Huge buyer strength tonight, Trev. Yeah, for sure. See me with the glasses on? I think they're in my car. My Ray-Bans. My Ray-Bans are in my car. Yeah, they're in my car. It will be by tonight, sometime tonight, Dan. Yeah, it's usually really quick. Yeah, it's an AI picture. I took a picture of myself and I put it on the Facebook AI thing, and that's what it came up with. Oh, thanks, Andre. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I'm just kind of getting back in the groove of streaming a little bit. I had to take some time off for some personal reasons, so trying to get back into the groove a little bit with trading and streaming. Yeah, I know, it did make me look much younger, Cube, for sure. I am not as young as I look. Yeah, Alfred, that is a good point. I'll show you, Dan, where it shows, since you're new to Buellanox. It'll show right here. So on the dashboard, you just scroll down, and then you'll see it'll show right down here master accounts, and then there'll be like an activation buttons here that says complete payment or something like right here, and that's what you do. Just keep watching for that. Yeah, good point, Alfred. The Harami Wolf of Wall Street. All right, Eric, appreciate you. We're gonna do the giveaway here. If you haven't joined the giveaway, exclamation point Pine in the chat. I'll give you guys 1 minute. Well, when this goes to 103, I'll stop it. We'll do the moose race. Ah, thank you, Sean. Thank you, Mo. Yeah, do a moose race. I just paid for it for a full year membership for the moose race, so. Get it in, guys. 30 seconds. We'll run it. Appreciate the support, guys. You guys have been using my code Pine across the prop firms. and Uncle Mo. Stone, who I haven't seen tonight. Stone has donated some money. If you want to be a member too, you can join the membership thing. I gotta figure out, I'd like to do some in the future, do some membership giveaway only. That'll be pretty cool. I gotta figure out how to do it. I think I can close the chat to only members, and then you can run the Pine, and then I can switch over. So if you guys want to join the membership, really appreciate the support. Alright guys, we got it in. Hey Paul, 2600 in my TPT evals. Can I flip 2 days? Yes. Yes you can, as long as you're under the 50%. If you're under the 50% consistency, Paul, you can just flip them. Alright, closing it. Close entries. Alright. Now I gotta set up the moose race, guys. Give me 1 second. Oh, Nico, I'll let you in. Hold on. Nico, go ahead. Go ahead and put in Pine again, Nico. If you, there you go. All right. Let's see. All right, so let me set it up here. Okay. Here we go. Moose race time, guys. Let's do no. Let's do a minute 30. Set. Alright guys, ready? Are you ready? It's been going, Big Cat. Thank you. Welcome back. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right. The problem with the moose race is it's a little hard to see the names sometimes, but. That is a lot of venison. Hey, Novice FPV, thank you for the 5 gifted memberships. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate the support. All right, 25 seconds, guys. Who's it gonna be? We got David Snyder coming up from the rear. JC Trades on the outside. Nico Trades Futures coming up from the out. Oh, Nico. Holy. You know it's rigged when I let her in. You know it's rigged when I let her in the last minute. Congratulations, Nico. Nico, send me an email with your PayPal or Cash App and a 3-digit code that's unique, and I'm gonna have you come back to the chat and tell me that 3-digit code, so that way I kind of know it's you. If you can do that. And I'll send you some money. PayPal or Cash App. Hey, thank you guys for the, I think we had a new sub too. I might have missed it, but thank you for the new sub. Thank you for the membership, guys. A lot of fun. Market's continuing to push down here. Thank you, Alfred. Appreciate you hanging out. I'm gonna hang out just for a little bit, just so I can take care of Nico here. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you, Mo. And thank you, Novice FPV, for the 5 gifted memberships. Appreciate that. The Harami Wolf. Pull up my email here. Haven't got the email yet. Checking my spam here. Still waiting, Nico, on the email. Are you on Discord, Nico, by chance? Not getting anything yet. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'm just trying to take care of Nico. You're on Nico? Alright. Nico, what's your Discord name? Is it? For some reason I'm not getting that email yet. I sent you a message, Nico, on Discord. If you can just respond to that, and then I'll take care of you. Just respond to that with your PayPal or Cash App. For some reason, I'm not getting the email. For some reason, it's being slow. But we'll just take care of it right here on that. All right. All right, I'm doing it right now. Just want to get this taken care of. All right, Nico. I am. All right, Nico. Sent it. Thank you so much, everyone, for... Wow. Market's pushing down now. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. You guys know this is my Friday. I'll see you guys back. I'll be back here Sunday night for the market reopen, guys. Thank you, Mo. Thank you, Novice. Thank you, guys, for using my code PINE. Last day, 91% off, guys. Bulanox. Well, ends tomorrow, so... Use code PINE and use code PINE for all the other props too to help support the channel. So really appreciate the support, guys. And I will catch you guys Sunday night. Peace out, guys.